In Wiccan practice, protection is not just defense, it's devotion. It is the act of standing sovereign in your energy, of claiming your space in the world as sacred. And one of the most powerful ways to anchor that intent is with a white candle. White is the color of clarity, spirit, and divine connection. It holds the full spectrum of light, making it one of the most versatile tools on any altar. But when it's lit with the purpose of protection, the white candle becomes more than just wax and wick. It becomes a guardian, a radiant boundary, a flame-fed oath that no ill will may cross. To begin this spell, prepare your space with care. Cleanse it, not just physically, but energetically. Whether through smoke, sound, or stillness, let everything settle. You are about to create a moment of pure intention. When you're ready, cast your circle. Feel the elements gather around you like old friends. Let the earth beneath you ground your body. Let the air sharpen your breath. Let the fire stir your will, and let the water open your heart. If you work with guides, ancestors, or deities, invite them now with reverence. Place your white candle before you. If you wish, set a small dish of salt beneath it to draw in purification and grounding. You may also encircle the space with black tourmaline or obsidian to deepen the protective field, though the candle alone carries enough strength. Hold your hands over the candle and speak your purpose clearly. I light this flame to shield and sanctify. No harm may pass, no shadow may cling. Then strike the match. Watch as the wick catches fire, and see in that flame the spirit of protection itself rising. As it burns, close your eyes and visualize. Imagine a sphere of white light unfolding from the candle, expanding around you in all directions. It pulses with your breath, alive and strong. Nothing harmful can reach you here. You are held. Sit with this energy for as long as you need. Let the flame calm you, fortify you, remind you. And when your heart feels full and the work is done, speak a closing charm aloud. By flame and salt, by spirit and stone, I stand protected. I walk alone, but never unwatched. So mote it be. Let the candle burn down if it is safe to do so, or snuff it gently, relighting it on future nights as needed. Each time you return to it, the bond you've built will grow stronger. This spell is simple because protection should be immediate and sacred. The white candle does not fight darkness with force. It dispels it by being light. It does not block through aggression, but through radiance. It holds space. It stands guard. And in doing so, it teaches us that true protection comes not from fear, but from the deep remembering that we are powerful, loved, and never alone. So when the world feels heavy, light your candle. Watch it. Speak without words. Let it remind you, you are safe, you are sacred, you are seen.